How to transfer GoPro videos to Mac with USB. Your first step will be to connect your GoPro to your Mac by using a USB-C cable to connect your GoPro directly to your MacBook, and then turn the GoPro on after connecting for it to showcase on your computer. Alright, now the next step is opening the Finder or image capture. Your Mac may automatically open the photos or image capture. You can also open the Finder manually to find your images. And now your next step would be to simply locate your GoPro videos. So open up DCIM and then find your GoPro video files and simply drag and drop those files into your Mac. Drag the videos from your desktop into your external drive or internal drive. And then once you're done, just simply wait for the transfer to finish. Large 4K videos may take a few minutes, but the transfers would be completed. And then last but not least, safely eject by clicking on the GoPro and clicking on mount and simply unmounting it from your computer. Alright guys,